2024 was a big year in Wangaratta. We really made use of a couple of significant occupations, one in March and one in September. During the March occupation, we did the track lower and the track realignment, which was a really significant amount of work to be done in a 60-hour period. And then we've also been involved in constructing new platform, which I'm standing on at the moment, the pedestrian underpass, and we're very close to completion. Seymour-Avenel Road's had a big year in 2024. We demolished the existing bridge there in the March occupation. We've also reconstructed the piers and footings and foundations. We've landed new bridge decks. On Tranche 1, we will be complete in 2025, so that's a really significant milestone for us. In March 2024, we opened the bridge in Glenrowan. In terms of Tranche 2, we signed a contract with John Holland in June of this year. We've been really focused on doing design. That design process will continue. We've had really positive feedback around the designs that were presented in places such as Broadford, Euroa and Benalla. Importantly, some of that feedback has shaped the design. We've made changes as a consequence of the feedback that we've received, and we're really proud of the way that we've listened to the community, and we're delivering legacy projects that they can enjoy for generations to come.